Hey guys, the Plant-Based Ninja here. Welcome back. I told you we're going to do another mukbang. What? Yes, this is number 2. Do I feel like drinking a second gallon of water? Actually, I'm kind of intimidated by it, okay? This morning's did go great. I gotta tell you, after drinking that whole thing, for the first time, it just didn't sit right, okay? So, here I am, outside. It is a beautiful day here in Tennessee. Oh my gosh, it is just magnificent. So, after this, I gotta get some shorts on, hang out with the dogs, and play. Whew, hope you enjoyed, hope you got to see. I know there aren't many big views on it, but if you get a chance, check out the blueberry raspberry smoothie earlier. It was dynamic, really good. So I hope you enjoyed that. All right, now check out the clouds. Okay, you need to get your vitamin D. You need to be outside. You need to get that that energy outside. Okay. All right. 1 gallon a day. No, 2. Yes, 2 to what? Actually, 2 to 7. All right. Always drinking that distilled water, folks. Always the purest, the cleanest. They don't tell you that. They try to market you with water. It is not going to be the most healthy. So drink the water that they don't market because it is the most healthy. Wish me luck. Here we go. It is super nice out here. Ooh, I'm trying to pace myself. This is the first time I've done this, guys. A second one, right in a row like this, and not right in a row, but hours later, I don't know. We're trying to, right now, it's almost like we're breaking through walls of limitations that we might have put on ourselves as far as how much water can I drink and how much water could I and how much better will I feel by obviously today drinking 2 gallons, and then we'll try a third if I can make it through this one. Right now it's almost about half. I'm feeling pretty, I don't want to feel too positive. My body feels a lot different than when it does when I usually drink my first one first thing in the morning. All right, so only one thing we can do, and that's keep pushing, right? That's right. All right. You know, one thing I'm missing out here is my music. Trap beats, cannot hear those trap beats, nor Frank Sinatra. But anyway. I think we're gonna have a campfire tonight. Or should I say, a fire in the fire pit. And yes, I will put a short on the fire pit. Might even put up a video. I don't know. Ooh, I think we're gonna go to Goodwill for, I don't know. Just kind of check it out, see what's there for fun. Haven't been there in a long time. It might have been over a year. Gotta go to the grocery store. I haven't gone yet. You saw my video from earlier. I told you I was gonna get blueberries. And the raspberries, I'm just gonna get an extra bag. Why don't I just get 2 bags of blueberries and a thing of raspberries? There you go. I also need to get some avocados. Whew. Got plenty of hemp left. Oh my gosh. I got neighbors outside. They're probably wondering what I'm doing. One of them's looking up at me. So. And it probably helps that I've never talked to him. Alright. Guys, it's getting pretty close. It's actually a far, far away from being done. So. Whew. Some tomatoes are getting ready in the garden. I'm very surprised our tomatoes are still good. We've had a few nights where it's got below, they got around 27, 28 degrees. I thought for sure that would have killed them, but no, it's still going. Oh, we are a little over 6 minutes in. So, I gotta take a minute or two. There's Marley. Whew. Our yard is actually, well, it's fenced off. But we got like an inside fence. When the fence extends to the backyard, where I let them in, went on with, because we got some neighbors behind us. They got a dog, and Marley starts acting a little bit crazy. So it's kind of nice how we separate it like that. And then the garden is separated too, also by a 6-foot fence. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh man. Okay, this is where we're at right now. The neighbor's leaving. Ooh. Alright, it's feeling pretty good. Man, being out here is absolutely heavenly. Oh. Ooh. Question: is almond milk healthy? Answer: my answer: it's a better alternative than milk. True. If you make your own almond milk, healthy. If you buy processed almond milk, no sir, not good. Also, that cereal you think you're going to eat with it, it's not good either. Not if you're buying it in a store. Okay. Ooh, wow. So full of water. There's this much left. Oh my gosh. Man, but my head feels so good. Oh my gosh. You remember that clarity that you used to feel when you were a little kid? That's it. That's it. The clarity you feel when you're a kid. This is interesting because my eyes feel really wide. Mind you, got to be sure that you put a little salt back in your body, okay? If you're doing this type of thing. Don't drink so much you're going to get sick. It's not medical advice to drink water. You know, those other people do mukbangs, man. They never say, hey, don't eat all this because I eat 20 million sandwiches. It's not medical. Oh, come on, man. Whoo, man. We're talking about all new levels, folks. Sadly, I have a neighbor outside that can hear me. And yeah, so, but anyways, never talk to her either. I guess I'm not the most friendly person in the world, but I am. So no, I'm not. Yes, I am. Just not gonna go up and yeah, I would usually go up and introduce myself. I don't know. Guys, I surprisingly feel really good. I feel a lot more clarity than I usually feel. My head actually feels like I'm a little kid. I'm serious about that. It's like it's releasing tension. Not that I had any tension that I was aware of to begin with. It's just the weirdest thing. I don't know. It's hard to explain. I don't know. I would highly suggest doing this thing. You know, oh my gosh, you're just not going to believe how good I feel. I mean, even better than earlier today, or those other days, I believe. And I was afraid to do this. I mean, I was a little intimidated. I was a little afraid. But you gotta figure tackling a second gallon in one day. Drinking it within like 20 minutes, okay? I always drink 2 gallons a day, maybe 3, but this is dynamic. Okay. Here we are. Maybe this is what the doctor ordered. Figuratively speaking, because goodness knows we know, no doctor is going to suggest that you actually clean out your body with water, are they? No, they aren't. Nor are 99.9% of them say, go on a plant-based diet to heal yourself or to prevent disease. They're not going to do that. Most doctors are going to say, here's a pill, here's a shot. Most of them are also not going to say, get into nature, get outside and get your vitamin D. They're going to give you a vitamin D pill. They're also going to say, put on suntan lotion. Suntan lotion causes what? Cancer. And how we prevent cancer. We prevent cancer by eating the foods, the raw materials, so that the body, including the skin, can build itself back when exposed to sun. If you're eating a nasty diet, obviously you might want to put some nasty suntan lotion on yourself. If you're not, then there you go. Think about that. Ooh, some truth bombs coming out, huh? Guys, 15 minutes, 43 seconds. I can tell you this second water mukbang is one of the, in the same day, is one of the best experiences. Oh my gosh. You would not believe how good my head feels. My eyes, my head. Just, I feel free. I feel so good. I'm not dehydrated, but I'm definitely hydrated, and my body is completely wiping out the toxins. Even more so today. Matter of fact, I think it's wiping out toxins that I've had possibly built up. Is it possible for a long period of time that I needed a quick flushing? What's the third flushing going to do? I don't know. I can tell you I'm onto something here. Or at least I feel like I am. I'll let you know. I feel like I have to burp. What's up? All right, let's go. Man, I think we're almost done. And not only that, but feeling phenomenal. Just feeling, there's my word, phenomenal, right? Ooh, here we go. Marley wants to play me to play with him. I know he does. He better. He's down there stretching right now. He's hilarious. And Brownie's inside with his mama. So, whoo. I tell you what, if you're thinking about, if you like the mukbang, if you like the idea of it, please like the video and subscribe. Subscribe, especially if you're going to be thinking about water mukbang, thinking about going plant-based. Love to have you along my journey. Love to be part of yours. You know, I love, man, just, you know, if it resonates with you, there you go. Guess what? I didn't know if I could do it. Guys, be good. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you check back for the third one. The third water mukbang gonna happen, yo. Y'all be good.